Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add text into your CapCut PC in a very simple way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first you just need to come over into your CapCut PC editing option. And now what you need to do, you just need to come over at the text option over here, you can see. And now if you click on add text, and you can click on default, or if you can select preset, but I would recommend you as default. So click on default text. And you can see there will be a bar will be open over here. And now what you need to do, you just need to come over at the right side over here, you can see. And if you just type any of text, like I'm typing MHS, and if you want to customize it, font size, pattern, case, color, you can do it. But I will just showing you a very basic that how you can add it. Just click on add text, default text, and then you can customize it or name it which one you want. So this is how you can add text into your CapCut in a very simple way. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.